Hello everyone, I am Narendra from Shake Hand with Life. In this video, I'll discuss the role of a quality council in an organization for successful implementation of quality improvement activities. I'm sure that you have subscribed Shake Hand with Life YouTube channel. If not yet, then please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell to receive notifications for my future video lectures. The subscribe button, as you all know that, down there. And do write your feedback in comment section and let me know about your valuable thoughts. Now let's start with why there is a requirement of quality council in an organization. A quality council is established to provide overall direction to the organization, building quality into the culture of the organization, and it also drives the TQM engine. The members of the quality council are the Chief Executive Officer or CEO of the organization, the senior managers of the functional areas such as design, marketing, finance, production, and quality. And there is a coordinator or a consultant also. And a representative of the employees union, if required, can be included in the council. A coordinator should be a bright young person with executive potential who reports to the CEO directly and pay some added duties to execute the quality improvement activities in the organization. The responsibility of the coordinator is to build two-way trust, propose the team needs to the council, and share the expectations of the council with the team and brief the council on the team progress. Ensure that the teams are empowered and know their responsibilities. Assist the team leaders, share lessons learned among teams, and have regular meetings of team leaders. Now talking about the duties of the quality council. The duties of the quality council include taking input from all personnel and develop the core values, vision statement, mission statement, and quality policy statement. Develop the long-term strategic plan with goals and annual quality improvement program with objectives. Create the total education and training plan. Determine and continually monitor the cost of poor quality. Determine the performance measures like production efficiency, absenteeism, number of customer complaints for the organization, and approve those for the respective functional areas and then monitor them. Continually determine those projects that improve the processes, particularly those that affect the external and internal customer satisfaction. Establish multifunctional project and departmental teams and monitor their progress. And establish or revise the recognition and reward system to account for the new way of doing business. Now talking about the quality council in large organizations. In large organizations, quality councils are established at lower levels of the corporation. Their duties are similar but relate to that particular level in the organization. These councils are the instruments for solidifying the idea of never-ending quality improvement. Once the TQM program is well established, a typical meeting agenda might have the following items. 1. Progress report on teams. Customer satisfaction report. 2. 3. Progress report on meeting goals. 4 new project teams, 5 recognition dinner, and 6 benchmarking report. Now the final words. Eventually, within 3 to 5 years, the Quality Council activities are so ingrained in the culture of the organization that they become a regular part of the executive meetings. And when this state is achieved, a separate Quality Council is no longer needed. Quality becomes the first item on the executive meeting agenda. That's it for this lesson. I hope you are very much clear about the role of a Quality Council in implementation of the TQM program in an organization. Hit the like button if you really like this video. Share this video among your friends and colleagues, and drop your feedback in comment box and let me know about your valuable thoughts. Click here to subscribe the channel and click here to download the course notes and ebooks in PDF. To watch more related videos, click any of these two. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching.